10, 4, 24. The 97 transmission is complete. Well, it's getting close, but you can see the gap. It's relatively very close now. Just that gap. So the secret is, if you have two people, it feels like 100 pounds or something, but one person holds here, the other person holds there, lifts it up, it goes kunk. And it's easier than the transmission jack. But if I had to do it again, I would do a transmission jack and an engine lift to align it. But if you do this on the ground, oh my God, this is rough. So once you're in, you feel like a miracle. We were like this, we had this for 2 hours yesterday, 11:3. So today we are in. So happy. I took the transmission down. I put the alignment tool on again and made sure it fit. And then we are good. All right.